Hi, this is Michael from Non-Stop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I'll show you how to use BeautyPlus-Snap Retouch filter that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, search in BeautyPlus. Alright, here it is. So BeautyPlus-Snap Retouch filter, created by Social Technology Singapore. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app. So you can take a beautiful selfie using your camera, aesthetic templates, or you can use predefined templates. Object removal, so as you can see, you can remove objects. If you notice here at the top, there are a lot of people, and on the bottom it was removed. So sky replacement, you can also do that, colorful filters, and much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that selfie camera and photo editor app used by 800 million users worldwide. Get the perfect photo every time with our signature Auto-Beautification tool. 30+ easy to use editing tools with powerful professional results for perfect photo. Creating beautiful and natural photo and video selfie has never been easier. So with this application, BeautyPlus, you can instantly take great looking perfect selfies and touch up your photos with this powerful photo editor. So the things that this app can do, it can remove acne, pimple or blemish, smooth skin, brighten eyes, whiten teeth, slim face, reshape the body, and so on. It is also a powerful photo editor. It has beautify functionality, which instantly makes your selfie photo more gorgeous. HD retouch, to touch up for more natural stunning selfie photo with just one tap. Height, which can reshape your body by increasing the height with this height adjustment tool. Slim, you can drag to slim waist, arm, face, breast, hips, and more. Smooth, which you can drag to smoothen your skin and refine your pores. Perfect skin is so easy, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, here is the interface. As you can see, there's a guide in here. Your stunning selfie in just a few taps away. Next, easily reshape your body just the way you like. There, that's how you use it. It's very simple. You can fully customize your photos by adding text, stickers, and more. Alright, so this is the interface. We're now on the BeautyPlus app, and these are the stickers that you can use. Pet sticker or pet accessories. There, you can add a sticker to your pets photos. This one is new sticker, so you can just have to select a filter in here if you want to, or you can also tap this one here to take a selfie of yourself. There, so you can allow it. I'm not going to do this right now. So here at the bottom you will see this three options: the photo and the take a selfie of yourself, and then you can customize it. You can also customize your videos. So photo editor is where you can customize your photos. So let's take a look at my photos in here, and I will try this one, Jackie Chan's photo. So let's try this. Okay, so right now it's loading up, and here it is. So we can make an adjustment there, so you can brighten it up there, and then once you're good with it, then just hit the check mark. And HD retouch, this is for the premium. Okay, right now it's making your skin glow, rendering clear cut, and adjustments there. So one tap process. We'll just have to wait for the result. So there you go, HD retouch, and as you can see, it becomes very smooth. So no more acne, pimples, and so on. Then once you're done with that, then just hit the check mark here. and there it's going to be saved. So there you can also try the makeup. So there's an option in here where you can add the lips there. So you can choose. If you notice, the lips, Jackie Chan's lips has changed, so you just have to try to use this to your own photos if you would like to play with it. So in here, there's a lot, and you can also use this one here, blush there. So if you notice there, heart, and this one here is contour. You just have to download it first, and the effects is going to be applied right away there. So you will see the changes. So that's for the makeup, the contour, then the eyebrow. So here, so you can choose which eyebrow you like, this one or this one. It's up to you. There you can try different eyebrows, eyelashes as well there. So if you can see here, Jackie Chan's eyelashes is now different there. So e-girl and so on. Eyeshadow as well, you can try this one there. And then contact lens, you can there. So the effects will be applied to your photos right away. And then hair dye, if you want to change the color of your hair. So as you can see, the color has changed right away. And let's try this one. Okay, nope, this one or this one. Okay, pink there, and then tap the check mark. Eye smile, you can also try that one. Okay, let's go back to makeup, and then let's move to eye smile there. So you will notice daily, that's the daily makeup, and then tap the check mark to save it or to apply the effects. And then smooth is where you can there adjust the more like a brightness there. So I'm not going to do that. And then concealer, let's try this one. Okay, nothing has changed. And then oilness there, if your skin is oily, you can try this one. And then slim, if your body needs to be slim, then you can use this. But since we have this kind of photo, it's not the slim body figure can only be used if you have a full body photo. This one here, it's not, so let's just skip that part. Tone there, change the skin tone there. You can choose like that, black or this one. So let me just go back. Reshape, if you want to reshape your face, then just try this one here, or you can use the navigation or this one here. It's up to you. And then the eyebrow as well, you can try that. The nose up, the nose, lips, it's up to you. So that's for the reshape. And head size is where you can change the size of your head there. As you can see, if you notice, from big to small, it's up to you. And 3D highlighting there, if you notice, there's a highlighting. Okay, there, so you can apply that as well. Let's try apply this one, neon 4, 3D highlighting, and right now it's been applied. And firm, let's try the firm. Okay, nothing has changed. Resize is where you can resize your photo. Okay, and then acne removal, this is going to be automatic. If you have acne, then this will be automatically removed. Contour there, body tuner, this is for premium there, you can change it, it's up to you. And then dark circle, So there's really a lot of option to beautify your photo. Brighten there. Teeth correction. Okay, the teeth correction needs to be connected to the server. Whiten teeth there, and also use that. So templates, you can use the default templates in here, like for example this one. So it's going to be downloaded first before you can use it, and there. So you also try this one there. So it's more like a collage. So first it needs to be downloaded. And food, there's really a lot of option here that you can choose from. So travel, there's a lot, like this one here. I like the snow. Okay, let's try this one here. There, snow, winter. So templates, and then retouch. We are done with the retouch. Edit is where you can crop your photo, cut out, enhance, adjust the colors or brightness, saturation, something like that. And then the AR effects as well. You can add this one if you want to, just like that, but I'm not going to do that. And then filters, there I think we're done with the filters. Okay, not yet. So you can use any of the filters. Okay, this one is cool. Okay, I like this one. Let's hit the check mark there. It's really cool. Stickers, you can add stickers as well. Then just swipe to the left and you will find more stickers. Doodle pen there as well. Text, you can also add text. Okay, scroll down and you can find more. Background, you can also change the background, and even the size of the photo, the 1x1, 2x3, 3x4. Okay, depending on your needs. And you can change the background as well, white, black, gray, it's up to you. And I'm not going to do that, so let me just no, and then let's go back. Okay, no, and we're done. Okay, we're done with the filters, text, and then background. We're done with that. So stickers, and then templates. Okay, so once you're done with the editing, then you can hit the save button here at the top right portion. Okay, just tap the save, and you have the option to save it or share it to your friends on social media. So yeah, okay, the HD image saved. It's already been saved, so we can continue on editing or making a collage or share it. You can create one more if you want to, like this one. Start. Okay, if you notice, you can no, let's just go back. Okay, so if you notice, there's it says here, please select 1 to 9 photos. You can select up to 9 photos. So let's just select this one as well, and this one. Start. So there, it's going to be like that. This is a collage, by the way. There, so this one is okay. I like this one. And then you can change the size there. So I think this one is good. And okay, this is the pic strip. Let's go back. Okay, start again, and then collage. Okay, that's good. And then let's say that we're good with this. You can also adjust the spacing by swiping this one here, left to right. It's up to you. And then once we're done, then just hit the save, and it will be saved. So HD image saved. You can continue to making collage, photo editor, or share. Home is where you can see all of this fantastic designs. So there's really a lot that you can do with this app. You can also take selfie if you want to by tapping this one here, the camera icon. I'm not going to do that since I'm not that handsome, so I'm gonna leave that part to you. And you can also use just want to add this, that you can also use these filters that you can see in here on your home screen. So let's say that you want this fantastic sky, then just have to tap it and then try it now. You can either use your camera to take a selfie of yourself, or you can select a picture on your gallery. So let's select this one as an example, and it's loading. Let's wait for it to complete. Oh, there you have it. So you can now customize it. So just one tap and it will be applied right away. Okay, my internet is kind of slow, so there the background has changed. So you have the option to choose from in here, and then you can save it right away by tapping the save button. Okay, I'm going to cancel it, and there's a lot of categories in here, but actually, so you noticed travel around the world, humor, love, stay at home, and so on. So you can try any of these designs like this one here. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.